From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Clear skies, dry air, and relatively light winds means efficient radiational cooling overnight. Now, we're not going to get all the way down to the dew point because the winds are still 5, 6, 7, 8 miles per hour, but we're going to drop once again into the mid to upper 40s over southern middle Tennessee overnight and upper 40s to lower 50s over northwest Alabama. And here in northwest Alabama, northeast Mississippi, even though you see mainly lower 50s on the map, outside of the metro areas, you could certainly see more widespread upper 40s here because of radiational cooling away from the urban heat island effect. Plenty of sunshine for your Thursday once again. Upper 70s to lower 80s for daytime highs, and more of the same for Friday as well. High pressure still in control of the forecast. That does start to shift a little southeast of us as we head into the weekend, so that we'll get southwesterly low-level winds here. So we'll be a little warmer into the low to mid-80s. A few more clouds ahead of this cold front that will bring big temperature changes for next week. Now, it's not going to bring rain with it. We're not looking at rain chances here on the board for at least the next 7 to 10 days, but we have big temperature changes coming. We go from the upper 70s, lower 80s from tomorrow through Sunday for daytime highs, down to 70 for a high on Monday, and that's being a little optimistic there based on the latest data. Low to mid 60s, and we may need to bump these numbers down a few degrees for Tuesday into next Wednesday. Notice the overnight lows by next Wednesday morning well down into the lower 40s, and that's a midpoint average between southern middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama. There could certainly be some 30s across the area, especially in our Tennessee counties as we head toward the middle of next week for overnight lows. So we won't be too far away from possibly seeing some frost next week as of how things look right now. Sunny skies for your Thursday, once again to the upper 70s to lower 80s, much like today across the area. Similar for Friday and even Saturday, although a couple degrees warmer Saturday and Sunday. A few more clouds, and then that big front coming for next week, dropping us down to the lower 60s by the middle of next week for daytime highs. And again, that's not with clouds and rain, that's with sunshine. Lower 60s for the middle of next week for highs. Overnight lows, lower 40s, if not down into the upper 30s. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luda's back in the Weather Center tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.